What's up, folks? It's Scott. Welcome back to OG DIY. Back in the garage today on a cold day, and I had some other work going on the LX. This is a 2017 LX570, which is the same as a 200 series Landcruiser. Just a moment on filters. So air going into your engine is super important, right? When it's clogged or you're choking your engine, it doesn't breathe as well. So an engine is one of these little miracles of life. Gasoline or diesel engine, right? Brings air into these combustion chambers, and there's tiny little fires happening in each piston, knocking the piston down. So it's got to have great timing for the pistons to cycle appropriately and the valves to open up and let the fuel in and then ignite that fuel, and a little mini explosion happens at the top of the piston and knocks the piston down. And then that turns the crank and that turns your wheels. So if you have a dirty air filter, your engine's not going to be able to breathe as well. It won't ignite as well. It won't have the kind of power that you're hoping to have. So check and change your air filters. And for goodness sakes, change your oil. Change your oil filter and oil at least every 5,000 miles. Don't believe anything the manufacturer tells you. It's crazy. It's crazy. At least 5,000 miles. And you will have many, many enjoyable miles from your vehicle. So let's do a quick change on this oil filter. There's your Denso OEM replacement filter. That was under $25 at the world's largest retailer, at least in America. So we're just going to pull these 4 clips off. And the back clip here is a little hidden. Simply raise this baby up, pull the old one out. That looks clean. You flip it over though, and it's dirty in here, so it's not pulling as well through the filter material. Okay, so probably changing that a little early, but that's okay. And then we put the new one in. These are inexpensive, so I'll change mine more often and have clean air coming into the combustion chamber rather than dirty air. Done.